Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our one-sided aluminum dog bone ornaments.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to work with our one-sided ornaments by Unisub. So let's get started.
All right, we're first going to create this in Photoshop and print on our sawgrass. We use the mug size paper so we could save on paper. So we're going to check to make sure there's no film on it, which there is not. And we're going to adhere this down with our thermal tape. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, so we are going to be using our Hotronix Fusion today. We are going to be placing a piece of silicone. You can also use Teflon on our bottom platen to protect our platen. We are going to be pressing with the image face down, bone coating face up. You can cover it with silicone to protect your top platen. And we are going to press at 385 degrees for 50 seconds at a medium pressure.
And while that's pressing, we'll go over some of our other shapes. We do have a square and a pentagon, and they do come with the white ribbon. Also, you will find the templates online.
Okay. Now for the reveal. So now, after removing the tape, you have one personalized ornament ready for the tree. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.